Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of memory optimized machine family in Google Cloud Platform. I'll explain more details about the types of memory optimized family series like M1, M2, M3. Apart from this, I'll explain more details about what are the benefits and limitation for each memory optimized machine family series in Google Cloud Platform so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. Guys, as we discussed in a previous session about the types of machines in GCP, as you can see here the types of predefined machine in GCP. Predefined machines are further divided into multiple types as you can see here. Let's discuss the memory optimized machine family type in this session. The memory optimized machine family in Google Cloud Platform is a group of virtual machine instances designed to provide a high memory to CPU ratio. These instances are particularly well suited for memory intensive workload such as large scale in memory databases, data analytics and other applications that require a significant amount of RAM. The memory optimized family may include the different types of instances with varying amount of memory and CPU configuration, allowing user to choose one of the best fit their specific workload requirement. These instances are optimized to deliver high performance for applications that rely heavily on RAM, such as in memory databases like Redis, data processing framework like Apache Spark, and more. Machine families are further classified by series and generation. Guys, as you can see here, the memory optimized machine family series are M1, M2, M3. The M1 machine series has up to 4 TB of memory. The M2 machine series has up to 12 TB of memory and M3 machine series has 1 to 4 TB of memory. These machine series are well suited for large in memory databases such as SAP HANA as well as online analytical processing OLAP and in memory data analytics workload. Let's discuss all the series like M1, M2, M3 one by one so that you can easily understand it. As you can see here, where can you use the memory optimized machine family in Google Cloud Platform? Basically, you can use the memory optimized machine family in GCP as in memory databases, data analytics and processing, big data workload, data database backup and replication, medium in memory databases such as SAP HANA, high performance computing HPC. Memory optimized instances are commonly used for databases that store data primarily in RAM for fast access. They are well suited for processing large data set and performing complex analytics tasks. Applications are require substantial memory resources for tasks like simulation, modeling, and specific computing can benefit from these instances. Guys, I hope so. Now you can understand where can you use the memory optimized machine family in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, as you can see here, this is the M1 machine series. The M1 machine series is older generation memory optimized machine series that offers 14.9 to 24 GB of memory per vCPU. The M1 series has up to 4 TB of memory. It uses in medium in memory databases such as SAP HANA. This M1 machine series offers the M1 Ultraman and M1 Megaman machine types and are only available in the specific region and zones based on your requirement. You can use it. As you can see here, the M1 machine series limitations are like the M1 machine series is only available as predefined machine type, that is not available in custom machine type. This series offer at least 14 GB to 28 GB memory per vCPU, cannot use the regional persistent disk with the M1 series. M1 VMs are only available in the select zones and region on a specific CPU processor, cannot use the GPU with M1 VMs. As you can see here, M2 machine series. The M2 machine series has up to 12 TB of memory. As you know that the M1 machine series has up to 4 TB of memory. Here the M2 machine series has up to 12 TB of memory. The M2 series is available with on-demand pricing for an evaluation period only. The long-running uses require purchasing a committed use discount. This machine series offer M2 Ultraman, M2 Hyperman, M2 Megaman machine types and are only available in specific regions and zones. The limitation of M2 machine series as the M2 machine series is only available as predefined machine types, same as M1 machine series. This is not available for custom machine type in Google Cloud Platform. This series offers 40 GB to 28 GB memory for vCPU, cannot use the regional persistent disk. The M2 machine series doesn't support the printable VMs and cannot GPU with M2 VMs. Solo tenants nodes are available for only the M2 Ultraman safes. Guys, now you can understand what is the basic difference between M1 and M2 machine series. The M3 machine series introduced two new OLAP safes for 2 TB and 1 TB SAP HANA system. These machine types allows you to provision up to 128 vCPUs and up to 4 TB of RAM. Pricing for these VMs per vCPU hour and the per GB of the memory are the same as for M1 machine series. Disk usage and network usage is charged separately from machine type pricing. The M3 machine series has 1 to 4 TB of memory. This series offers M3 Ultraman, M3 Megaman machine series types and are only available in the specific regions and zones. These M3 machine series are not available in all the zones and regions. It's available only for the specific regions and zones. As you can see here, the limitation of M3 machine series as the M3 machine series is only available as predefined machine types as similar to M1, M2 machine series. This is not available for any custom machine type. Cannot use the regional persistent disk with M3 series. M3 machine series is available only select zones and regions. Cannot use GPU with M3 VMs, and as you can see here, M3 VMs are not available with all operating system images. The M3 machine series doesn't support standard persistent disk. Guys, now I hope so you can understand the memory optimized machine types in Google Cloud Platform, and the memory optimized machine family has 3 machine series like M1, M2, M3 series. Thank you and have a nice day.